Hey, EcoSmart fam. Ever thought about growing your own food but feel like you don't have the space? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to start a small space garden and grow your own food, no matter where you live. Whether it's a balcony, windowsill, or a tiny backyard, you can make it work. Tip 1. Choose the right plants. Close-up of small pots with herbs, lettuce, and tomatoes. First, let's talk about the types of plants you can grow. For small spaces, herbs like basil, mint, and parsley are perfect. You can also grow leafy greens like lettuce or spinach, and if you have a little more room, cherry tomatoes or peppers thrive in pots. Tip 2. Use vertical space. No space? No problem. Use vertical space. You can use hanging planters, wall-mounted shelves, or even repurpose items like old shoe organizers to plant herbs or strawberries. Maximize that vertical space to fit more plants without taking up floor space. Tip 3. Start with containers. Container gardening is your best friend in small spaces. Make sure to choose pots with good drainage and use quality soil to give your plants the best chance to thrive. And don't forget, recycle old buckets or containers you already have at home. Tip 4. Make the most of sunlight. Plants need sunlight, so find the sunniest spot you can. Whether it's a windowsill, balcony, or even a fire escape. Most edible plants need about 6 hours of sunlight a day, so make sure your plants are getting enough light. That's it, EcoSmart fam. Your small space garden is just a few steps away. What are you excited to grow? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EcoSmart Living for more tips on how to live sustainably, even in small spaces. Happy gardening!